Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha narrates that once she took a necklace made of small beads from Hazrat Asma, may Allah be pleased with her. While traveling, she lost the necklace. Prophet Mohammad S.A.W. sent some people to search for the necklace. They found it, but by that time it was time for prayer, and there was no water available for ablution wudu. People intended to pray without ablution, and when they complained to the Prophet Muhammad S.A.W. about the lack of water, Allah revealed the permission for tayammum, dry ablution. Upon this, Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha said to Hazrat Asad bin Hadr, may Allah be pleased with him, may Allah reward you with goodness. Whenever you face any difficulty that you find unpleasant, Allah turns it into goodness for you and for all the Muslims. Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23208.